We are live. Let's go, guys. We are actually here again. Man, I enjoyed this morning and afternoon. I'm completely relaxed, guys. I was in the sun until now. I'm so relaxed now. Let me quickly start a giveaway. 150k Apex giveaway again today, guys. We are just giving out so many accounts. It is insane at this point. It is actually insane. Alright, let's add the chat here. Marius, welcome to the stream. And Jan is also here. Let's go. The OGs are actually already here, man. Crazy. CryptoBot is here. Guys, we are on a win streak. Like, it is insane. By the way, I posted this sell in the private group and it already hit 2R. But I closed it at 1R, so I locked in some gains close to 1R. Actually, not even 1R. I locked in some gains at, wait, almost 1R though. Because we've seen this push, I wanted to re-enter, so I had a re-entry right here at this level and another one here, but we didn't go up there. Maybe we will still go up there, I hope so. I want to trade this level again. But yeah, still beautiful day. We are up, how much? 2.8k. It is not bad. It is actually not bad. So the win streak is going on. Like, we are on a massive win streak. So let me post this. There we go. This is live. Now I also need to add the chat. So I'm gonna add the chat right now and then we are ready to go. CryptoWater, welcome to the stream and thank Dolphin. And I also need to start the TikTok stream in 1 second. Alright, chat is here. Let me also add it here. There we go, I got it added on TikTok now. I think it should work. I hope it works at least. Man, should I not add it? I'm not sure if I should add it on TikTok. It takes away a lot of the screen. So it might actually be better not to add it there, but whatever, I'm gonna add it for now. Alright, let me start that stream. Live trading ES. Alright, we are live on TikTok, guys. There we go. Now, let me start the giveaway. We are now gonna start the giveaway. Guys, there are people using my code, but they are not submitting it on the website. It is actually crazy. We had so many people using my code yesterday. On FundedNext, there were like 5 people, and we had like, I don't know, like 7 people that used my code yesterday on Apex. It is crazy. And nobody submitted it, at least until now. 150k Apex. So we are gonna start this right now. Alright, giveaways live on the website. Need to submit mine. Wait, was that you? CryptoBot, was it actually you again? There's no way, right? Did you actually buy another 5 accounts? What is going on? Man, you are insane. How many accounts are you gonna buy? Alright, giveaway is now on stream. It is live on the website, guys. Make sure you join it. We are gonna give out another one for free. Alright, let me make this smaller. It's way too big. There we go. Wait, now you have it twice. Now it's actually twice on the screen. Alright, it is live on the website, guys, and make sure to join it. There we go, I'm set up now. We are actually ready. So yeah, I missed this short, sadly, this re-entry. I didn't miss it. You can see here I took the short. I was actually in from a nice entry. I also posted this entry in the group. But I closed it here, and I should have re-entered right here. This would have been a perfect re-entry. And yeah, I was waiting for this level. We did not hit it, sadly, else I would be up big. Else it would be up like crazy, guys, but it is what it is, part of the game. We are still up, so there's no need to be mad about this. Literally no need, it's just part of the game. Didn't go to the entry, we might still hit it. I hope we're still gonna hit it. Let's have a look at the order flow, and we're also gonna have a look at the order flow levels that I'm gonna look to trade. And guys, by the way, let me show you this. Like, the order flow levels are absolutely absurd. I mean, you cannot make this up. So let me show you this. I also posted it in the private group. It is actually crazy how accurate these levels are. It is actually insane. So if we go here, wait, let me show you this first. So if we go here, I shared this level, we shorted that level. This was the absolute high. Actually, no, here it wasn't the absolute high, but almost the absolute high of yesterday. And then if we go here, if we actually go here, look at this. This was another trade we took from the order flow level. We had, this was 7624. We dumped over 60, almost 60 points from that entry. And now this is the crazy part. I also posted this level in the private group, and this was on Nasdaq actually. And this was hit yesterday. There were some, I even showed this level on stream. Look at this. Just look at this. Wait, let me show you. This was the absolute low at 29,420 on Nasdaq. Absolute dollar low. And we went up like, I don't know, 300 points, 330 points. That's a 3-hour trade. And I showed you this yesterday, by the way, on stream before it was hit. Like, if you go to my stream, if you don't believe me, you can watch the stream yesterday. The level was not hit yesterday on stream on Nasdaq. We hit the level, and I think some of you even took it yesterday. There were some people asking for these levels. I showed them the level on stream. So this is just the power of order flow. It is absolutely insane. Like, and look at this here as well. This one, this was the best trade of the last. I mean, I'm gonna show you. This was the absolute low on ES that I also called on stream, and I think also in the private group at 7,364. This was a massive order flow level, and we went up on ES, guys. We went up from 7,360 up to 7,600. So that's a 300 points move, almost 300 points move from that level, which is just absolutely insane. And then we called the exact high here. We dumped again. From 7,600 from this order level, we dumped again over 120 points. So like, it's just crazy. I wanted to show you this quickly. It is just absolutely insane how respected order flow just is. Working as well on some new strats, nice. CryptoBot spot is too enticing, I guess. Yeah, he apparently, right, CryptoBot, you use all the accounts you bought for your bot. Like, none of the accounts you use to manually trade on them, right? Oh, my TikTok is so banned, shadow banned still. Hope25 just joined the TikTok. Welcome to the stream. Batched, how are you doing? Long time no see. Hope you're doing well. And what I'm also gonna do, guys, by the way, I'm gonna post at the end of the week an update of my July trading stats that you can see. So I'm gonna update this tomorrow. I will post a new video on YouTube. And I'm also go over some order flow setups and all that stuff in the video. So make sure to actually subscribe to the channel if you want to watch that video. And if you want to see the results until which I uploaded on the weekend, or the last weekend, you can also watch the video on my channel. I already showed the stats in that video. Yeah, some weeks ago the last time. What did you do? Did you trade by yourself, I guess? We just gotta be patient, guys. I hope we're gonna pump. I hope we're gonna pump into my entry. But for now, we just have to be patient. Wait, TikTok is frozen. I'm gonna restart my TikTok stream. Something is not working on that platform. Wait, now someone joined. Luca actually joined. Will come and stream. You going long? No, I'm gonna short again if you go higher. Well, I have longs placed and shorts placed. So if 2 shorts placed, I already shorted this, already took profits. Sadly, a little bit too early. And I almost re-entered that short, by the way. But we didn't go up here. So I had this. I placed this short around here after I closed this short here. Placed a new entry, but we didn't fill it. So I'm still gonna wait until we go to the entry. This is why I'm up 2.8k. It's from this short. Iago Madeira, welcome to the stream. Good morning. You are a new viewer. I've never seen your name. Looks like the algorithm is working. And guys, if you are new here, let me know. How did you find my stream? If you are new to my YouTube stream, let me know in the chat. We are pumping. Yeah, but absolutely insane, guys. Like, Orderflow is just so overpowered. Like, I showed it before just now. Like, it is just crazy. We predicted the high, we predicted the exact low on ES with a 300 points move. I predicted the 30k Nasdaq high as well on stream. 30k Nasdaq high predicted with Orderflow. And we also yesterday predicted the exact low. I'm gonna show it again. This this was the level I gave you on stream yesterday before it was hit. You can go back if you don't believe me. And we moved 300 points from that. And let me show you the high. This was the absolute dollar high on Nasdaq from the Orderflow level. I also called this one out on stream. So this was at 30,040. Angie Hawks 3 is welcome back. How are you doing? Are you still in the short, Angie? I actually posted the short. I'm out of it though. I closed it at 1 hour. And I sadly missed my re-entry, else I would be up like crazy because it would have hit another 2-hour trade off the level. So that is a bit unfortunate, but it is what it is. I'm still up. Yesterday show you what? Wait, gonna be here not that long though. I need to go to the Sonarts, alright. To the dentist. So Norman has to go to the dentist. Great, did you automate the ES short? No, it didn't automate it. It was like this, so I posted this level. Let me quickly show you so actually understand it. So I posted this level. Let me go to the group. Under trade ideas, no wait, this is the free one. Under Sato futures, yesterday I posted the level and it was at 7,620. So if you go to that screenshot, basically what I did, I just shorted at the open. So I posted this 1 hour before the midnight open. So all you had to do is just short the level at the open. We even went higher. We even went to the entry that I showed yesterday on stream, by the way. This was the exact high of today. The entry we had yesterday on stream, the last limit order, was the absolute dollar high. But I do not automate my trades. I trade manually all the time. There are downsides to like automating a strategy. So let's see, we're moving up again. This is nice. But as you can see here, you can even see it on the chart. Here at this time at the open, right at the open, I opened the short that I posted. Then we went higher and I closed it here. I could have held it for even longer. But this is exactly the trade that I took, that you can see on the chart right now. And this was the open candle, right at midnight in Switzerland. But don't worry, we might go up there again. I hope so, at least. I do hope we're gonna go up there again. Because I'm still gonna short that level, I'm gonna short it again. We have a new order flow level actually at that level. So this is why I want to trade it again. I'm actually gonna move this entry here a little bit lower. And we are gonna go in with 2 at this level. Because as you can see here, let me show you. So this is the level I want to trade. Wait, where is it? Where is it? Oh no, it's actually not here. 7615. Well, mine is a little bit higher. We had a previous order level there, so I want to actually wait for that level. So I'm gonna wait for up here for the highs of the range, and then we are gonna go into a short. The thing is, we have to break the daily VWAP for that. We actually have to go above the daily VWAP. Today is super warm here in South Turkmenistan. Okay. Yeah, it is boring, guys. It's gonna be boring until we're in a trade. And sadly, I was not in front of my PC, by the way, because actually, if you look at the order flow, this would have been a nice re-entry. We retested the daily VWAP here. And I could have, if I would have been in front of the computer, I would have probably entered this one as well. But now I kind of want to wait. I want to wait for higher again. We don't have to rush, guys. I'm up already, so I don't have to rush for any trade. I'm not going to be greedy. But let me check something quickly here again on this template. $7,601 is the next order flow level actually. What do we have on NASDAQ? 29,540 and 29,580. I kind of want to get into an ES short, but I would like to really wait for the safe entry. We had a lot of volume here before, as you can see here, at 7,622. So I would like to go up there again, take out this volume again, and then, yeah, we go lower. But we will see. If I see some really bearish order flow, I'm gonna go in early, probably in a short. We will see. We also have a 1 hour level here, by the way. This is a really nice setup. This is actually 1 hour level at 7,622. I just hope we can go up there again and fill that entry. Alright, we have 6 minutes for New York Open. We might see, I hope we're gonna see a New York Open pump into this level, guys. This would be perfect. So we have actually 6 minutes to go. What do you guys think? Are we gonna see a bullish New York Open or a bearish one? Let me know in the chat. What do you think? It is the perfect temperature again, guys, in Switzerland. I love it. So how many people in the giveaway? Let's see. 10 people already, alright. Might be bearish based on the daily move. Yeah, it could be. I really hope we're gonna go up there again. I don't want to enter a short here though. I mean, 7,601 would be the first decent short. But I don't know, I would like to see this previous level high hit. So I'm actually gonna adjust my entries a bit here. We are gonna go in here at 7,618. So what I'm basically gonna trade today is the high of the daily range. So this is my setup, let me show you. On Orderflow you can actually see it better. So on my stream on YouTube you can actually see it a little bit better. We have the previous day value high at 7,619. So I'm gonna go into a short here and we're gonna close it at 7,600. I'm gonna close one entry, probably at 7,600 then. We'll see. But I'm definitely gonna leave that that order open now until we see the New York Open in 4 minutes. It would be nice to see a push into the level. So as you can see, this is my new trade setup. So we need a 20 points move to the upside from New York Open. I don't know if that can actually happen, we'll see. I mean, it's definitely possible, I've seen it happen before. But I would actually like to wait anyways until like 5 to 6 PM for a trade. I usually don't like to trade New York Open, like right at the open. Alright, 3 minutes to go, guys. 2 minutes and 20 seconds actually. You're seeing a lot of sellers here. It is crazy. We had a lot of sellers in the last few candles. But we are not going much lower, so I hope you're gonna see a bullish open into the sell. And then we're gonna close the sell and we're gonna go into a long from lower. That would be the master game plan of today for me. That would be my master game plan. It is not even New York Open yet, guys. We have enough time to find a trade. Just don't rush into a trade if you don't see one. That's really important. Don't get greedy. I'm just gonna trade my setup, my order for level. And even if you only go to the previous day value low, this would still be a 1-hour trade. So even if you're kind of bullish today, it is still highly possible that we are going to retest the previous day value low. And then maybe continue going higher and I could close the short for a quick 1 hour, which would be nice. Alright, 30 seconds to go. We are getting there. RS, welcome to the TikTok stream. Hope you're doing well. I gotta focus a bit on the TikTok chat as well. Do we have any people watching on TikTok? Let me know in the chat. 10 seconds to go for New York Open. Alright, 5 seconds. Are we gonna pump? Are we gonna dump? We will see. We are pumping. There we go. We need to go higher though. Come on. We need to fill that entry at... As you can see my entry here, guys. Alright, we hit the order for level, by the way. We hit the next order for level that I didn't want to trade. Come on. So I think we're gonna move around here a little bit for like the next 30 minutes. And hopefully get to my trade entry. That would be nice. Raid, welcome to the YouTube stream. Hope you're doing well. Can we reclaim the daily VWAP? This is actually strong resistance right now. Can we reclaim this on ES? What is Nasdaq doing? Nasdaq is also still below the daily VWAP. Wow. It is pumping though. Yeah, I think it's a short move up. I hope so, guys. I really hope so. But we are at the daily VWAP. I hope this is not the high. This is a strong level actually. And you can see we already hit it to the dollar. We hit the daily VWAP now to the dollar. Wow, what a reaction from the daily VWAP. A lot of sellers though, and we are not going much lower. So we have a new low on CVD. New CVD low. But we didn't make a new low on the price. That is actually bullish still. Unless obviously the sellers are not going to give up and continue market selling, then we are not going to reclaim the daily VWAP. So far looks bullish though a bit. Getting closer here, guys. We are getting closer actually. Come on, give us that nice pump. I have a similar trade planned at 7621. Nice. What's up, Kuro, by the way? Nice to see you again. And Kuro, by the way, thank you for using my code. I wanted to also thank you. Since you're on stream now. Everyone that uses my code, it helps out a lot, guys, with the giveaways. And I don't know, yesterday we had a ton of people using my code and most of them didn't submit it on the website. I don't know why. So if you use my code, submit it, you can get into the exclusive giveaways, guys. We have 250k accounts already in the weekly giveaway. And I don't know, yesterday I had like, wait, how many people used my code? Like 15 people used my code yesterday. Like not 15 people, but we had 15 entries. So 15 separate accounts were bought, which is crazy. Better for us, I guess so. I guess they are just rich. Maybe they are just rich and I don't care about the giveaways. We are dumping. No, come on. Massive selling at the daily VWAP. It is absurd. Like we had 1.3k negative delta at the daily VWAP. Bears are just selling. It is crazy. I mean, if you reclaim the daily VWAP now, we can easily go to the entry, but as long as you stay below it, we are gonna go lower. So we will see. Just gotta be patient. At least you will not get kicked by Apex anytime soon now. Yeah, that is for sure. Yeah, that is for sure. This was actually my best month on Apex. Best month so far. Crypto Potter has just too much capital. Yeah, maybe. Maybe yeah, maybe it's because of him as well. I mean, he used my code like, I don't know, in 30 accounts, which is insane. The guy used like my code like 30 times. It is actually crazy. What an OG. See guys, we need more people to get payouts and then they need to scale up. This is my plan. So we just need to get the people to the payouts. It's as simple as that. We are just flying down from the daily VWAP. What is this, man? We are just dumping. I was kind of thinking of taking this, but it's just not an A+ setup. It's simply just not an A+ setup. It is an A setup, not even A actually. So yeah, I don't know. We are just gonna wait now still. Wait for the next level that I've placed on the stream. I hope we're gonna trap all these cells and pump to my entry. That would be nice, and then finally go lower. But right now, I don't know, really strong selling. We had 2.2k more market sellers than buyers in the last 5-minute candle. 1.2 million. What do you mean by 1.2 million? The capital. There are some people on TikTok, guys. Finally, I'm getting back into the algorithm. How are all my TikTok people doing? Let me know in the chat. Hope you had a great trading day. We sadly missed the short. I was in the short actually. Took 2k in profits, 2.8k in profits. And now I'm just holding. I'm being patient, waiting for the next entry. We have seen a rejection from the daily VWAP. You can see that on the Orderflow on the stream. It's not on TikTok though. Yes, this is yours. Yes, this is prop capital though. I'm trading on funded accounts. So it is funded capital. Come on, we just need to see buyers now and reclaim the daily VWAP. Because if we do that, we're actually gonna go to my short entry. But so far it still looks bearish. I mean, if we go lower, guys, I'm gonna look for a long. So this is my next long. So I have one long placed here. I'm gonna risk 2k on the trade. And on this one, we're gonna actually around 3k we risk here. And on this one, I'm gonna risk around 6k. And if we go higher here on this one, as you can see, I have 2 limits placed. We are gonna risk also 6k on that trade. On this one here, I only want to risk 1. Most likely, we will see if we have super bullish order flow. I'm gonna scale in here also with another 3k. So we would open another 3k long here. And this is only 100 because I have 15 other accounts connected, by the way. But you will see the P&L once we're in a trade from all the accounts. Alright, going up a bit again. I mean, if you reclaim the daily VWAP now, it's actually gonna look really bullish. I can easily expect like a 20 points move into our entry if we manage to reclaim the daily VWAP now. Wait, I should also put the daily VWAP on the chart here, because people on TikTok cannot see it. Wait, let me actually do that. I'm just gonna do it with an anchored VWAP. Where is it? I cannot find it. There we go. So I'm gonna draw the anchored VWAP from the day, it's the start of the day. Oh, now it's gone again. Where did it go? I need to fix my trading view. Like, I have everything sorted usually, but it is so annoying to find it like this. It's actually kind of annoying. There we go, anchored VWAP, and we are gonna draw it here. I'm trying to find the open candle, midnight open candle. Wait, now I need to remove this here. So as you can see here, we're also still below the daily VWAP on TradingView. So if we reclaim this, it's gonna look much more bullish. Nice push, not at all, man. We need to go higher. I mean, I don't mind if we go lower. I'm gonna go into longs from lower as well, but it would be nice to go to my sell. I wanna get into the sell. The daily VWAP has been a rate boss. If you look at this here, we have retested the daily VWAP to the dollar and dumped. And now again. But now we had a lot more sellers and we actually didn't make a new low. So I don't think this is the low yet. We'll see. I mean, I think we might go here to 7581 and then go higher again. Because if you hold the lows here, it's gonna look kind of bullish. Just because we've seen so many sellers and we didn't make a new low on price, but on the CVD line we have a new low. We need to reclaim this, guys, to go higher. I'm thinking sweeping the 7571 level, then maybe jump. I mean, let me see, do we have another level? Do we actually have another order flow level anywhere below? No, see, the next one is at 7541. This is exactly the trade I've placed. I want to wait for this level for longs. I really want to wait for this, because this is a really clean setup. And also this level, guys. These are such good levels. 7541 and 7518 on ES are beautiful long levels. We have a lot of liquidity at these levels. So I don't want to long yet. We gotta be patient. Guys, we just gotta be patient. Dumping now. Look how respected the daily VWAP has been. This was the high, and now again the high, the exact dollar high. The 1 hour low. Yeah, it is a decent entry, but we don't have an Orderflow level, so this is why I'm not trading it. But it is a technical level, yes, it is a technical level. It is definitely a good long. You can try and take it. But I'm gonna wait. I wanna wait for lower. This is like a really nice setup if we go down here. Might even take this with 2 contracts actually. We also have the anchored VWAP at these lows. We have a 1 hour level, we have the daily open, we have the range point of control from the whole range. Like, this is actually a really clean entry. I'm gonna place one more here because we are up today. I can easily risk one more here. And we are gonna close this one here. Wait, where's my order? Let me place it here for now. Alright, so we close one at 2R. One of the trades I'm gonna close at 2R. We are gonna actually close the other one. The other one at 4R, 3.5. No, actually at 4R. So one at 2R, one at 4R of this long here. But remember, this is my limit take profit. I can still go out earlier if I want to. We are just flying down, man. The daily VWAP was the absolute high. To the dollar, the high. Crazy. Yeah, could have shorted this, I guess. But it was not an A+ setup, so it is fine to miss it. It was just a daily VWAP reaction. We also had the previous week close at the daily VWAP. So how are the people on TikTok doing? We have some people joining. Guys, can you leave some likes on the stream if you're watching on TikTok? Please leave some likes for the algorithm. That would be nice. I'm double streaming right now, just so you know. But if you could leave some likes on TikTok for the algorithm, that would be nice. And also, guys, leave a like on the YouTube stream as well. We are gonna do a big giveaway. It's actually running on my website already. We have 18 people in the giveaway right now. Wow, already 18 people in there. Cool. And guys, make sure to read also my free tutorials on my website. I have so many free tutorials. Like, I show my trading stats. I have free tutorials on my website, and yeah, you should you should actually read that stuff. This is completely free, so make sure to read that if you're new to trading. Like, all the stuff, like all the content on my website is written by me. I do use AI sometimes just to read it better, but I still have to draft the prompt, you know what I mean? With my own info. Else it's just gonna be bad. But all the content on my website is made by me. Written by me. The daily VWAP is a rate boss today. It is an absolute rate boss. Perfect high predicted here, and then again retested, and a drop again from the daily VWAP. How many people are on TikTok? 3 people watching on TikTok. I swear, guys, I'm just always gonna stream on TikTok until I get back into the algorithm. Whenever I'm live, I'm just gonna stream on TikTok. I wanna see if I can actually get on shadow banned. I'm getting views, but people are not sticking, I guess because I'm double streaming maybe as well. Melford, you don't have to type Sato, by the way. You have to sign up on the website and claim the entry for the giveaway, that's it. You don't have to type Sato anymore. The giveaway is live on the website if you want to join it. And we are gonna draw it live on stream as always. It's gonna be a live draw where you can see your names. Yeah, the thing is, Anchor, I'm shadow banned on TikTok. I'm actually shadow banned. So I need to get back into the algorithm. It's gonna take some time. Doesn't look like we're gonna go higher yet. If we hold this low though, and we actually go to the daily VWAP, I think we're gonna break it. Because we've seen so many sellers. But we'll see. I'm not in any long. I'm just gonna wait for the next entry. My TikTok stream is frozen again. Why? Wait, let me fix it. Let's see, new 15 minute and then 10 AM open. I'm waiting for that. I mean, usually guys, I have my best trades at like 5 to 6 or even 7 PM. Well, not always. I also have really good overnight trades, but this is also a good time to trade. So there's no need to be like mad right now. I think we're gonna get a nice trade still from one of my levels. We just have to be really patient and wait for the entries. It is only 20 minutes after New York Open. Like, we have plenty of time. Wait, let me actually post on Tradeify that I'm live as well. Let me actually post that. Let's get some people in on the stream. Alright, you have 20 people watching. Nice. Thank you guys for watching, by the way. Let me share the stream. Ooh, David wrote me a message, guys. Did he send me a new code for today for the giveaway? Is he actually gonna send a new one? Wait, where is Tradeify? Alright, I posted my stream. I need to do this more often. We are just dumping, man, from the daily VWAP. Oh, I should have maybe, guys, actually, yeah, no, I should not have, because it was on A+ setup. It was actually the right move not to trade it. Wow, Nasdaq is just flying down. I think Nasdaq might be interesting for a long today. So wait, I'm gonna place this long right now on Nasdaq from yesterday again. So we are gonna long this level here, let me show you. Yeah, I'm gonna long this here. 28,962. I'm definitely gonna take this long on Nasdaq if we fly down here. And I wanna hold this actually longer. We're gonna risk around $120 on each account. This is a really nice level though. I have been waiting for this level for quite some time now. So I'm gonna place, we have an Orderflow level above here and we have the entries at the 1 hour open. Stop loss below the lows. I'm gonna risk $159 on this trade. On each account. So now we have a Nasdaq trade open. There we go. I have an FTES bias open. We are ready, guys. We are ready for the day now. Now we just have to wait for it to fill. Oh no, another scammer is on my TikTok. What is going on? Please leave me alone. What are all these scammers on TikTok? It is insane. Like the bots are joining, not the human people. There was another guy promoting his signal group. Like, it is insane, man. Just let me stream in peace, guys. These guys on TikTok. I love YouTube, guys. I love the YouTube chat. TikTok is just different. A lot more scammers and I don't know. YouTube is the best chat. Wait, my chat is frozen as well. Everything keeps freezing on TikTok. It is so annoying. Alright, I might take a quick break here, guys. Like, we are not close to my levels. It's a good time for me to take a quick break. And we're just gonna keep streaming the order flow. Like, I'm only gonna be gone for like 5 minutes. If we pump now to my entry, I don't mind. I'm just gonna trade these levels, guys. I'm not gonna trade any other levels. So please don't, especially to all the people on TikTok, please don't tell me to long anywhere or short anywhere. I'm just gonna trade these levels and that's it. Because there are always some people on TikTok. Also yesterday, guys, we had someone telling me I'm gonna hit the stop loss on my short. Like, sometimes it's really annoying. But we had the perfect short entry yesterday. Anyone also looking at gold longs? I mean, guys, I don't mind if you share your trades, but don't say, yeah, you're gonna hit the stop loss, or this trade is not gonna work out. Please just let me trade. Let me trade my own strategy. I don't mind how you guys trade. If you also post trades in the chat, guys, I never say they're bad. Because in the end, it is your strategy that you're trading. But it can be really annoying if there are like people, yeah. If there are people like telling you to do something, it is kind of annoying. It never happens on YouTube, by the way. It only happens on TikTok. I've never seen this happen on my YouTube chat. I don't know, maybe they're also rage baiting. I don't know. Maybe they are just rage baiting. I don't know. Still didn't go to 7570. Would have liked that one for a reclaim. Oh yeah, almost. We went almost to your entry, man. Would have been a nice trade by now. Just stay patient, Jon. Don't rush into trade now because you missed it. This is one of the biggest mistakes you can do, by the way. So if you, no matter what strategy that you use, for example here. So I have this long here placed, right? Let's say we go down here and we go up. Worst thing you can do is get upset and go into a long from another level that you didn't want to trade initially. And this is why I also said what I said before. It's just really important, stick to your own plan. And if the market doesn't go to your level, don't take a trade just because it went close to your level, because it will not be the same strategy. Like if I enter early, I would not adhere to my strategy. I would be breaking my strategy. I hope that makes sense. One of the biggest things that helped me, guys, is just accepting the risk you take for your trade. So every trade has a risk, and you can lose any trade. You just have to accept the risk and have a really good risk management and follow your strategy. It is actually kind of simple, but it always sounds simple. The emotions can play a huge role, so this is why I keep repeating this. It's really important that you guys also like learn this, because it has also been hard for me to learn. And especially since I started streaming, like streaming with some people in the chat telling you on TikTok to like, why are you trading here? And you're gonna hit the stop loss and stuff like this. Like, it can be really annoying, you know what I mean? It has happened to me twice, guys. I got influenced by by the TikTok chat, actually, I think it was. Like once or twice. And I also learned my lesson from that, because whatever they said, I shouldn't have done it. I'm not saying they are bad traders or whatever, you know what I mean, but you should always just follow your own plan. And it can be really frustrating if some people tell you to do something. Alright, I'm gonna take a quick break, guys. I'm just gonna leave the order for run. Wait, someone asked for Nasdaq levels. Let me show you some Nasdaq levels quickly before I go and do a quick break. So as you can see here, 29k, really nice level. This is the level I'm waiting for, 29k on Nasdaq. I'm definitely gonna long, guys, at this level. So we have 29k, besides that, not a lot. The level I showed you yesterday, by the way, guys, the level I showed you yesterday on the stream, 29,400 was the absolute low. And we have seen a 300 points move on Nasdaq from that level that I showed yesterday on stream. Here it is. And if you don't believe me, you can go back. The VOD is still live on my channel. I showed this level before it was hit. And now this is the next one, where you have a lot of liquidity. And let's see here, maybe with a daily. I think we also have a high time frame order flow at 30k. No, actually not. 28,400 is the next one. But we are at the low of the whole last days. 4 minutes to go. So yeah, these are my levels on Nasdaq. And here, do we have any levels here? Wow, we had a bullish CVD print. We had a bullish CVD print on Nasdaq just now. So do whatever you want, guys. I'm not gonna long this. You can if you want. We had a bullish CVD print. Don't gamble. Remember, we are not a gambling stream. So if you wanna long this, take it with a small risk. I'm not gonna long it. Even though it is a bullish CVD print, they're usually really accurate. But we don't have... Wow, we are pumping now from it already. Like, it is... it is kind of crazy. I'm gonna leave Nasdaq open, guys, and I'm gonna leave ES open on top here. So you can see my entries. I'm gonna take a quick break here and get my mind off the charts for a while. Smoke a cigarette and then I will be back. So I'm gonna be back in like 5 minutes. Let me see if everything is working. There we go, yes. Alright guys, and you can please stay on the stream. That is really helpful if you actually stay on the stream. Where's your long entry on Nasdaq? It is 29k. No, actually not 29k. Let me show you. I'm actually gonna place it on 29k though, I think. Wait, where do I have it placed? So I have it at the 1 hour open. Oh, this I don't know. I'm gonna leave it like this for now. I'm gonna leave it for the break like this. Maybe we will change that one. But mine is right now at 28,962. And this is my stop loss. You can see it here. Entry, stop loss on Nasdaq. I'm gonna leave Nasdaq open here, guys, for all the Nasdaq traders. We have shown ES yesterday, so I'm gonna show Nasdaq now during my break. Trading mit Orderflow, yes, I trade with Orderflow. Ich bin aktuell am streamen auf Englisch, auf YouTube. I get to learn something new from you every day. Sato, thank you for that live. No problem, man. This is what I'm here for. You can learn a ton, guys, just by watching the free streams. You don't have to buy anything. And if you want to support the streams, you can just use my... Oh no, another scammer, another signal group scammer. It is actually insane. If you are, you know what he wrote, guys? Like, isn't this the biggest red flag? He wrote, this guy on TikTok wrote, if you are running in losses, just join my signals group for recovery. Yes, of course. And the next thing he wrote, I have 98% win rate. No, he wrote, I have 98% sure rate, sure signal. Man, what are these scammers? Get banned, man. Wo hast du Level 2 Daten von CME? Nein, ich habe CME abonniert. I use level 2 data from CME, guys. It costs me around $200. But I post my levels that I backtested for $99 in my private group if you want to check it out. All the Orderflow levels. We called the exact Nasdaq high in the private group, the exact ES low with Orderflow. Posted them all, so you don't actually need to buy it. So you can save $100 and just join the private group, because I post all the levels, the high liquidity levels. 200 Franken im Monat. Ja, es kostet ungefähr 200 Franken mit der Software und der Daten, die du zahlst. Und das, was ich im Discord poste, sind tägliche Levels bevor im Open von Nasdaq und IS von meiner Strategie. Also Orderflow-Levels, die am meisten Liquidität sind. Ich meine Orderflow-Levels, die am meisten Liquidität ist. Also kannst du gerne mal abchecken. Es ist ein 7 Tage gratis Trial. Also du kannst es für 7 Tage testen und wenn es dir nicht gefällt, kannst du rausgehen wieder, ohne dass du irgendetwas charged wirst auf meiner Webseite. Guys, if you want to try out the private Orderflow levels that I post, you can try it out for 7 days for free. Like, you're not gonna get charged. You can just cancel it again if you don't like it, and it will be free, so you can try it out for 7 days. You don't have to buy the CME data. Like, I post all the levels, the most important levels, every day in my Discord before the open. So you save $100 and you can try it out for 7 days, and yeah. Brauchst du auch Bookmap oder nicht? Nein, ich brauche kein Bookmap. Eigentlich Footprints. Bookmap kann ich... I don't recommend using Bookmap, guys. This is what you see on my YouTube stream. This on the right here is the Bookmap. But it can be spoofed. Like, these are limit orders and institutions spoof these orders, so they fake them. Because you can remove limit orders again. This is what spoofing is. That means they place a massive limit order, sell or buy limit order, then it shows up here. Before the price goes there, they're gonna remove it. So there is no, like, I don't recommend using Bookmap because it is just spoofed all the time. What I look at is market orders. I only look at Delta because these are actual data. I actually never even look at this. I never even look at the Bookmap. I don't care what I see here. Alright, we are pumping, guys, from the Nasdaq Orderflow level that has been printed on my YouTube stream. Anyone that longed it, you were up almost, I don't know, 2 hours already if you longed it. So I'm gonna take a quick break, smoke a cigarette, and I will be back. I'm gonna leave the stream running on YouTube and on TikTok, guys. And you can chat with each other if you want to. You don't have to. Alright, guys, see you again in 5 minutes. We are just pumping, man. Crazy pump. What a reaction. Crazy, guys. The CVD bullish CVD print. Anyone that longed this, guys, you are up big. You are up big now. It was the absolute high. Like, this is how powerful Orderflow just is, guys. Just watch my stream, and anyone that trades Nasdaq, you could have longed this. I didn't take it though, I'm still waiting. Stark is in the stream. Guys, I need to post something on X. Wait, let me post something. I have a good idea to boost the stream today. And maybe get to a new all-time high in viewers. That would be crazy, guys. We are on a win streak. If you want to see my trading stats, guys, watch my latest video. I'm gonna update my trading stats soon, at the end of the week. I'm gonna try to do this more often as well. Because nobody posts their trading stats, guys. Literally nobody posts their stats. They all just they all just post payouts. They post, like, I don't know, like screenshots from a trade that is fake on MetaTrader. We are actually showing the stats, guys. We are showing the stats. Alright, let me post this quickly. Where's Tradecopia? Where is my Tradecopia? Oops, that's the wrong one. Oh, where did it go? No. Doesn't want to work the way I want it to work. Guys, make sure to join the giveaway. It is still running on the website. We are giving out, I just got the code, by the way, from David. So W to David in the chat here. He sent me a code for today. Free giveaway. You don't have to buy anything. Just go to my website, sign up an account. You can win. You can actually win. Nothing wants to work when I'm streaming. It is so frustrating. Let me pull this here. Let me pull this here before I leak anything. And where do we DM you if you win? Yeah, you have to connect your Discord on the website. And if you win, I will DM you right on stream and I will send you the code. So you will get the code instantly, guys, on my streams. I think I always do this for you guys so you can start trading right after you won, basically. So once this stream finishes, we will do the giveaway before the stream ends and I will send you the code. On Discord or WAP, no, it will be over Discord. But make sure you edit your Discord on the website, that is really important. Else you cannot join the giveaway. Alright, let me post this. Where is it? I want to post a tweet. I need to start doing that, guys. We need to grow. We need to actually grow. So I need to be, I don't know, I just need to be posting tweets all the time and I do all by myself. So if anyone, guys, if there's anyone good at growing Twitter accounts, let me know. I need someone to help me with this. It is getting really... It is getting kind of hard. We are just flying, guys. We are just flying from the bullish Nasdaq print. There we go. Using ChatGPT for the tweet. Man, I need to write this better. This sucks. Guys, I'm hustling. I'm actually hustling while I'm waiting for the trade. How crazy is that? We need to grow. That way we can do more giveaways. I want to have like 5 accounts to give out a day. That would be so much fun. Imagine we have like 5 free accounts to give out per stream. But we need to get much bigger for that. I don't know, or more people using my code. But we will get there, guys. We will get there. It's just a matter of time. We need to grow that stream together. So thank you for everyone that keeps watching, by the way. For everyone that keeps tuning in, guys. You are supporting, even if you don't buy anything. Like, even if you just watch the streams. I don't care, guys. If you watch the streams all the time and you win accounts, I don't care if you don't use my code. You are still supporting the stream. Let's actually add the stream link. This is actually really a smart idea. I need to do this all the time. Because I'm gonna drop a tweet right now on my X, guys. Make sure to... Can you guys do this, by the way? Let's do this. I mean, we have quite some people watching, guys. Can you do me one favor? So I'm gonna tweet my current stats, so the live PNL you see. And I'm gonna say that I'm live right now. And if you guys could like, retweet and comment, that would be so amazing. Maybe we can boost the algo together. I'm gonna tell you once I've tweeted it. Let's see how many likes and comments and whatever we can get. I've never done this. Let's actually do this. This is kind of fun. I need one link though. Where did I post it on the Discord? Oh, here it is. Alright guys, the tweet is being... Wait, no. Isn't my X now also shadow banned? There's no way. We cannot complete this action right now. I guess we have to wait a little bit. I'm trying to tweet something. Wait, maybe I have to reload. Wait, let me try to reload. Let's tweet it without the link, I guess. Might be better. It doesn't let me tweet. Wait, what is going on? I don't know, I cannot tweet. It doesn't let me tweet, guys. What is going on here? This request looks like it's automated. It is not. It is not automated. Like what? Please try again later. I guess we have to wait a bit, man. This is really annoying. Wait, let me try without link. Now it worked. All right, whatever. I didn't get it through with the link. Guys, make sure, let me post the link. It is live now. Wow, we have 30 people in the giveaway. We have 20 people watching. I think we can get some people to comment here. Guys, make sure you actually tweet, retweet, like and comment something. That would be really nice for the stream. Alright, 31 entries on the giveaway. We are just pumping. What is going on here? Come on, can we get there, guys? We are getting really close, by the way. 10 points away from the entry. Can we make it happen? Please don't go down again from here. I think we can go there. Like, we had a lot of sellers down there, like I said. And now they're kind of stuck. They are kind of stuck in their sell now. And there have been millions of cells being opened. I mean, there were millions of cells being, yeah, opened at the lows. So we might squeeze them. I mean, look here. We had so many cells down here. Over 6k in negative delta more on all these candles. Wow, there's a very CD print though now. Are we gonna reject again? Should we enter one, guys? I'm kind of thinking of entering one. Just one contract and we wait for the other entry. I kind of like this bullish CD, this very CD print. I'm not sure. Should we, guys, what do you think? It is risky to short now. Yeah, maybe we just wait. You're right. Maybe you just wait for the entry. I think you were right. You were right, actually. I should not change my strategy. It's just not an A+ setup. Let's wait for this, guys. Let's just wait. This very CVD print kind of wanted to make me short here. You can see here this red very CVD print. I mean, maybe we will go lower from it. It is possible. Should we do the first giveaway soon? We only have one, Alex. We only have one, actually. So we're not going to do that soon. I'm going to do it at the end of the stream. Retweet and comment on. Thank you, man. I don't know, guys. Like, can we please go up there? Like, if we go down again, it's gonna be such a boring stream. Would be nice to fill this. You can see the entry on the stream, guys. No, it's best at the end, because if I do it now, people are gonna leave. Better for the algorithm to do it at the end. I will do it different times, guys, once I have more accounts, but right now I cannot do more than one. For that we need to get bigger. Then we can do multiple, then I'm not gonna do it at the end only. Once you have like 3 accounts, I can do one in the beginning, middle of the stream and one at the end. That will be optimal, man. Come on, let's pump it, guys. I wanna see a fill. I hope we can go up here, guys. We should. We might even go up to here, 7625. Where's Lena and Peach? They're probably not here until I do the giveaway. They're gonna join. You will see. They will join again at the end. $33 people in the giveaway, man. Crazy. Can we reach 50 people in the giveaway today? That would be a new record. There's another pump. Welcome, Khaled. Hope you're doing well. We are being so patient today, guys. We are just flying. Nice. I mean, if we go there fast, I might do this, guys. I might do something like this here. Because we have the 1 hour high at 7628. So I might place 2 entries to change my average entry. Wo würdest du aktuell 5.000 Euro investieren? I don't know, man. I'm day trading, I'm not investing. I mean, I'm also investing, but I don't give any like advice on investing. Was ist das Nasdaq? Das ist IS, ich trade aber auch Nasdaq. Das, was ich jetzt aufhöre, ist IS. Come on, can we go to the entry, guys? Let's retest the previous day very high. Nasdaq die Woche nicht so schön gewesen. Für mich war extrem gut. Also die Orderflow sind extrem respektiert gewesen. Und auch bei IS, also mein Juli ist extrem gut. Wenn du auf meinen YouTube-Channel gehst, das letzte Video, siehst du meine Statistik vom Juli. Kannst du gerne mal anschauen. Guys, you might hear some Swiss German throughout the stream. There are some Swiss people joining now on the stream. Wie hast du Trading gelernt? I learned everything by myself, guys. Over years. During my studies, I started trading. Just watched a ton of videos, tried out a lot of stuff, learning by doing, basically. I never bought any course or any, like, I don't know, I never bought any course. That's what you're asking. Wir kommen in die Nähe vom nächsten Level. Ich habe einen Trade hier platziert schon, also ich bin am Abwarten, bis der Preis auf das Level hier geht. I think you have to turn off the ads in YouTube at this step to help the channel growing. Really? I have the lowest ad settings you can possibly use on my YouTube stream. Are we gonna go there, guys? It looks like, come on. We are getting closer and closer. New York Open, aber ich trade auch Asia Session und New York Open. Oft, also ich bin immer New York Open live. Am wenigsten gern trade ich eigentlich London Session. Guys, the session I dislike the most is actually the London session. I like Asia Session and New York. These are both good sessions. Kinda don't like London. It's usually better to get into trade through the Asia session and then hold it over the London session. At least that's how I do it. Sometimes there are good setups throughout the London session, but we are just flying. Holy, we are pumping. Did Trump tweet anything, guys? Let me know. Let's do Asia stream. I'm always too tired, like I'm too lazy to stream again. Like if I stream 3 hours through New York Open, 2 to 3 hours, it is already, I don't know. Antwort, wie viel Volumen auf dem Level? Someone asked in Switzerland how you can see where there's a lot of volume. So you have to configure your chart, your order flow chart. So you can actually calculate it based on, for example, sessions, days or weeks, whatever. And this is how you can get it. How you can get the levels with the highest volume. This is how I do it. So it really depends. I trade multiple levels. So I trade high time frame order flow levels and intraday levels, where there's a lot of volume. Weil time frame, aktuell sind wir auf 30 Minuten. Of trading view, and we are open here on extra charts in 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes on extra charts. We are just flying, come on. Getting close. Sell entry soon, finally, man. I'm like, I don't know, guys. I'm staring at this chart for almost 2 hours. I'm just staring at the candles for 2 hours with you guys. I left my chair for like 2 times. Come on, guys, let's pump it. Alex was right, guys. Alex was right. W to Alex in the chat. Getting close, come on. Not a Barry CVD print, please pump up there. Come on. I'm just looking at the candle move, guys. I'm literally just staring at the candle. Can we do it? W Alex. Oh, we're getting so close. Like, it is playing with our emotions right now. We just have to stick to the plan. Like, this is really important. We are so close to the entry, but I'm just gonna leave it where it is. I don't really want to short earlier. I might even place... We'll see. I'm kind of thinking of doing this maybe as well. So we have 2 entries. Just in case we go to the high again. But on the other hand, it is fine to risk $200. I'm still up on the day, you know what I mean? Come on, can we do it? What confirmation you look for entries on which time frame? I look at Orderflow levels. Always Orderflow levels. With high liquidity. Do you use Fibonacci? Yes, I also use Fibonacci, but not as much. I mainly use Orderflow, really. I mainly use Orderflow. High liquidity levels. On high time frame and also on intraday levels. Your levels are really awesome. I do post all the levels in the private Discord, by the way, every day. Every day you get the new levels that I trade myself. So even if I'm not streaming, you can try it out for 7 days if you want. We called the exact low on ES, exact low, and exact high on Nasdaq at 30k before the level was hit. Like, it is actually crazy how respected the levels are, guys. So make sure to check them out. And you save money instead of buying Orderflow. You even save money. Because in the end, you don't really need Orderflow. Like, if you have the levels, this is the most important thing, the high liquidity levels. Because these are always my entries. Is Orderflow free? No, it costs around $200. But the levels I post, it is for 7 days free and after that $99. So you actually save 50% by just joining, and the levels I use are my own backtested ones. So if you buy Orderflow, you're not gonna have these levels. Like, these are my custom levels that I have backtested. And that's why they're so accurate, like, it's just crazy. If you wanna check out how accurate they are, I showed it in the beginning of the stream, so you can rewatch the stream. I showed you a lot of examples in the beginning of the stream. Do you have a short idea for Nasdaq? Nope, I don't. I never short Nasdaq, guys. I usually only short ES. I have never ever shorted Nasdaq so far. Never. I'm not gonna short Nasdaq. It's just way too bullish. Like, I haven't. Like, if you short Nasdaq, you can easily have multiple stop losses in a row and blow the account. Like, and on ES, it moves slower. You can have much lower risk on the shorts. So why would I ever touch Nasdaq on shorts? I only long Nasdaq. I only long Nasdaq on Orderflow levels. I never short it. I'm gonna start shorting it once the trend changes, guys. But right now we are still in a massive bull run on Nasdaq. I'm not gonna try to catch the high. Yes, I'm gonna short, but not Nasdaq. Yes, I short a lot. How much you risk per trade? 0.5. I would risk 0.5 and not 1%. 1% is way too much. Unless you have a strategy that works and you just want to pass the evil really quick, then you can use 1%, but you should risk 0.5%. Once you have more capital, you can even risk 0.2% once you're like 1 million. then you have a much lower chance of blowing the account ever, and you can scale up the capital. And in the end, you will risk less. Yeah, yes, you will risk less, but you have more capital, so you'll still make more. This is what I talked about yesterday on the Discord, by the way. People always, what most people do is they gamble on one account, they look for big payouts, and they blow it over and over. And what I do is I slowly scale. So right now I trade on 15 accounts. I risk 2% on gold, long risked 2% to get 10%. I mean, was it with your own capital? And on Forex it's different anyways, on CFDs it's a little bit different. But 2% is a lot funded. Yeah, I mean you have 10% drawdown on CFD accounts, so... But still, 2% is a lot. I would not risk 2% or even on funded accounts on CFDs. But I mean, if it's an evil, then yeah, of course, you can risk more to pass it quickly. I also do that. Mescu, welcome to the stream on TikTok. Hope you're doing well. No risk, no Rory. Nice, guys. The TikTok chat is finally becoming active. Am I getting into the org again? Guys, what are you trading? Mescu, what are you trading? And Yannick? Let me know. Yes, I want to pause it fast. Man, we're getting into the org. Someone even sent roses. Mescu, thank you. That is cool. I want to pass it fast. Nice. So you only trade CFDs? Beltrix strat based on fundamentals. I don't trade fundamentals, guys. I trade Orderflow. I only trade Orderflow. So the only thing I trade on my futures accounts is ES and Nasdaq. And I mainly trade ES using Orderflow, and I also use Orderflow on Nasdaq. So I trade ES mainly, but also Nasdaq. But I never short Nasdaq. I only look for longs on Nasdaq. Come on, can we go to the entry, guys? It is being really... It has been hard waiting for the entry so long. I've waited 2 hours for this entry, guys, on stream. I've been just looking at candles for 2 hours. And we've seen another Barry CD print, by the way. Can you please fill the entry? Yeah, also good. I trade CFD options, and you should try out futures. I can really recommend you, Yannick, to try out futures on proper accounts as well. I fell in love with futures, and I also come from... I started trading with crypto, and I also traded Forex after. But futures, CME futures is the best in my opinion. I'm not gonna lie. Like the price action is just so clean. It is so clean for day trading as well. How was your date, by the way? We couldn't go sadly. But we are going next week. She's on holidays now. She's on birthday holidays in Ibiza right now. So yeah, once she's back next week, we are gonna go. We are gonna meet again. Is 7583 the level you were waiting for? No. How do you get to 7583? You made 2.8k today. Yes, I'm up 2.8k right now. Looking for a new trade. This is from today. Welcome to Felix as well. Man, I cannot speak anymore. I've been talking too much today. After like 2 hours, I always notice it. I need to get a recolor, guys. A Swiss recolor. That would save me, maybe. Should I get one? But with almost 300k trading balance, you mean? It's 1.2 million actually, so we're not up big today. It is a small win. But still, it's still a nice win. You know Harun from Switzerland? No, I actually don't know him well. I mean, I heard from him, but I don't know him well. I want to join when you trade. I mean, you can see my trades, guys. You can see my trades here. I have a sell placed, stop loss. This is my entry, stop loss. These are my take profits of all the trades from here. So I have 2 buys here. Again, 2 buys here, and I have 2 sells at the highs. So I'm just waiting for them to get filled. Nasdaq pushing, but ES doesn't want to. Man, it's nice to see the TikTok chat active, guys. It is nice. Thank you for being active finally. I'm a student from him, alright. I want it crazy. But yeah, these are my limits. We are just waiting, guys. Man, we didn't hit it yet. Come on, please. We need to retest the very high. I've seen him on live, alright. Alright guys, but can you please stop talking about other people? Because you never know if there's a guy trying to sell something, like doing some advertisement for other people. That would be nice. Because I don't want to be responsible if someone buys something from someone and then it just isn't good, you know what I mean? So using basically 100% from your network for trading? No, what do you mean? I don't use 100% from my net worth for trading. I don't. No, I would never do that. That's the worst thing you can do, my friend. Someone just asked me if I trade with all my net worth. I don't. Don't do that, guys, especially if you're a beginner. Even if you're professional, you should, like, I don't know anyone who does this. You should always be diversified. What's good, gang? Kiro, welcome on YouTube. Hope you're doing well. Would be nice if we go live together, maybe, but I don't think he streams in English. I think you meant full port. 9 viewers, guys. The algo is pushing on TikTok. We might get into the algo again after all this time. And thank you for the rose, by the way, from Mescu. Which chat you're in? I'm looking at both. I'm looking at YouTube and TikTok chat right now. And no, I risk 0.25 up to 0.5% of my capital on each trade. So every trade you see, you can see it on one account, but it's being copied on 15 accounts. And you will see the live P&L once we're in a trade, guys. Don't worry, it will move. So you will see if I'm in a loss on all my capital together or if I'm in profit. You will see that on screen. But right now I'm just not in a trade. I closed my previous short. Tio, welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing well. Is Apex Day today? Where's FundedNext giveaway? We don't have any more FN giveaways anymore. Sorry, my internet was lagging. No problem, man. No problem. On both evil, so all of my capital, 1 million is funded, the rest is not funded yet. So I still have to pass some of these accounts. Yeah, I was really unlucky, guys. Like, I lost 2 Apex accounts, by the way, 150k accounts, because I missed the 30 days, so you have to pass them in 30 days. I was 2k away from the profit goal. So I lost 2 accounts that were close to being passed, 250k accounts, which is really annoying. So I had to get another 2 new ones for this month. No, I didn't end the partnership. I'm waiting for a new contract. That's what I'm doing. I have to say something. So what are my guys on TikTok trading, guys? Let me know in the TikTok chat. What are you trading? Is anyone also trading ES and Nasdaq? Let me know in the chat. We are getting so close to the entry, guys. I'm being like really impatient right now. I'm being patient, but it's kind of hard to just look at this. We're getting so close to the trade. Man, I'm happy I'm finally getting views again on TikTok. I think we are out of it, guys. We are finally out of it. Can we get some more likes? Guys, can you leave some likes on the stream if you're watching? Just tap the screen to give me some likes. Mr. Ben is also here on YouTube. Welcome to the stream. Guys, we are so close to a trade. I'm just being so patient on this entry. We have waited 2 hours for this new trade on stream. How much percent from your trading portfolio is possible for you to increase per month? You can see my stats on YouTube. I uploaded a video showing my stats, so you can calculate it yourself. I show all my July stats on my last YouTube video. I'm gonna do an updated video. So make sure to watch this. I also went through some live trades, so watch the last video on my channel. My entry is 620. Let's see if I can enter as well. What does CVD say? CVD we had a lot of bearish CVD prints, so I kind of want to fill the trade. But it is not giving too many signals besides the CVD prints. But you can see them here. We had 4 bearish CVD prints in a row, almost. How many days does it take to pass an account? I mean, it depends. You cannot answer these questions, guys. Like, it depends on your strategy and how much you risk. I cannot answer it for everyone. Like, it is fully dependent on your strategy, how much you risk per trade. And this is depends on that. It depends how long it's gonna take for you to pass the account. Hopefully, ES is not consolidating. Man, it is really starting to annoy me here. We are not filling that entry. I've been looking at the chart like at candles for 2 hours now, guys. We cannot go to my entry. Come on. Just gotta be patient, I guess. We have been live on TikTok for 1 hour and 40 minutes already, by the way. And YouTube almost 2 hours. Can we get to 1k likes, guys, on TikTok, please? That would be nice. Let's see, we're getting so close, 4 points away. 2 hours of waiting almost, guys. 2 hours of waiting for the entry after closing the last short. I'm happy I closed the short though, it was the right thing. Right thing to do. Man, can we not go there? I might actually just open one here, like at this point. Just in case. I'm really considering it, but yeah, maybe I shouldn't. Like, the order level is higher, so I kind of want to wait for that. It is really playing with our emotions here, guys. The market is really playing with our emotions. It is crazy. Mesco, thank you for the roses again, and thank you for sharing the live, by the way. 600 likes on TikTok. Can we get to 1k? We're getting so close. We need a little bit more of buyers. What do you think, guys? Are we gonna fill the entry? Let me know in the chat. Man, you are sharing the live like crazy, Mesco. Thank you, man. Discipline Daily, thank you for the follow as well. Fayer is also here from the YouTube stream. Nice, man. I can do 10k likes. I mean, if you want to, you can, guys. Which time frame you mainly trade? I don't trade a single time frame, guys. I trade multiple time frames always. Like, I execute on lower time frame, but I look at higher time frame as well. Trading the short with you. We have Philly Eyes. Welcome to the stream, man. Nice. We have some new viewers joining. That is nice. I'm definitely gonna take that trade, guys. I'm definitely gonna risk, but make sure not to gamble on the trade, please. It can also hit stop loss. So don't gamble. Please don't gamble. Rest still in Discord. Oh, nice, man. It is you. Are you going live often? I stream almost every day. Almost every day in New York Open. So I'm gonna be a lot more active on TikTok as well, don't worry. Like, we are slowly getting into the algorithm again after streaming 3 days. The thing is, I streamed in Swiss German before, guys, so I have to change the algorithm. So I get recommended in English-speaking countries. So yeah, we are a really new stream here. I'm streaming from Switzerland. I just need to be really consistent, I guess, to get into the algo again. Come on, can we do it, guys? Please. The market is really playing with my emotions right now. It is absurd. Can we just finally fill the trade, go a bit lower so I can take another break? I'll join you tomorrow. Nice. Apple user, welcome to the stream. Oh man, it is really, like, it is playing with my emotions here. We had the previous day point of control. We might go lower from here. But I really would like to wait for the previous day value high. I just really want to wait for that level. It is just the best entry, like it is the safer entry, but we might go lower from here, guys. We hit the previous day point of control on ES just now, so maybe the high is in. We had Barry CD prints, but I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna stick to my plan. Why can't I comment? Where? You should be able to comment. 4 new followers on TikTok. Let's go, man. Let's go. We are growing a bit. 8 viewers on TikTok. There we go. And YouTube is doing well as well. How to be mod. Just be active in my chat. I will mod you if you're active multiple days in a row. I will give out some new mod ranks on my TikTok stream. And now you're dumping, guys. I need to take a break, man. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna take a smoking break here. I'm gonna quickly take a 5-minute break. Even though my stream is doing so well, I should probably stay a bit. But I cannot watch it as we've been here like for 30 minutes without going to my entry. And I don't want to rush into trade. Like looking at the chart close to your entry, it can be really mentally annoying, let's put it like this. We are just being so close to my entry. For how many, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes? Yeah, for 40 minutes. 40 minutes around my entry. Just doesn't want to get filled. See you tomorrow. I'm done for today with 2K. Congrats to Mesco, man. Congrats to being up. I'm up as well. I'm looking for 1 or 2 more trades though. New York might give. Guys, don't worry. I always look at both chats and please stay on my YouTube stream as well. What's the reason behind the short? It is an orderflow level. Really as simple as that. Previous day value high. I want to trade up to the low of the range. I just want to trade this range. Well, it's a good time to get into trade as well soon. We are getting close to 5 p.m. in Swiss time. Really good time. I usually like to get into a short at these times. So 5 to like 7 p.m. is a really good time. Big loves the Berg durchgefahren. Nice. Yeah, it is a really nice place, guys. I also ride my bike. It is like one of the best places to ride a bike where I live. It is actually so beautiful. Like, I have a good car, but I ride my bike like 90% throughout summer. Because it's just way more fun, and you see like the panorama view. It is insane, guys. Swiss view is just, it looks like out of a movie in Switzerland. So I'm gonna get my new cam, guys. Next month I'm gonna get my new cam. We will do some nice content. We will do some nice content again on YouTube as well. Maybe some in real life content in Switzerland. Showing you some beautiful spots and stuff like this. And maybe also some car content and motorcycle content, who knows. Darf ich sagen, wo es ist? Lieber nicht, aber ja, mach was du willst. Das ist in der Nähe von Luzern, das kann ich dir sagen. I love your BMW, thank you, man. Come on, guys. Alright, I'm gonna take a quick 5-minute break. I need to smoke a cigarette. Like, I have been streaming 2 hours. We are close to my entry. I don't want to be doing anything dumb. I just want to wait for my entry. So we are gonna take a 5-minute break. We are gonna take a quick we're gonna do a quick 5-minute break. Giveaway is running, guys. How many people are in? Let's see. How many people are in the giveaway? Wow, we have 38 people, guys. I'm giving out a 150k account today, by the way. Everyone on TikTok watching, we are gonna do a massive giveaway today. So enter it on my website. There are 38 people in the giveaway right now. You can win a big account for free. Don't have to buy anything. You can win it for free just by watching the stream. I can be your clipper, yeah. Send me a DM, nobody. Send me a DM. I need a clipper. And I need someone that edits my live streams on YouTube as well. Oh, we are dumping. I cannot believe it, man. Like, I just cannot believe it. Yeah, it's time for a break for me, guys. I just need to get off the chart for 5 minutes. Like, I've been looking at Orderflow for 2 minutes, or 2 hours, I mean. So I'm gonna take a quick break, guys. I will leave the stream running. Don't go away. I'm gonna leave the stream running and the Orderflow. I will be back in 5 minutes. Hopefully we will fill my trade by then. So I hope that once I'm back from the break, we are in this trade. And we are not lower. I really hope. But if that's the case, I might just end the stream and wait for a new trade off stream. We'll see. Alright, I'm gonna be back in 5 minutes. We are dumping, guys. We are sadly dumping without filling the entry. Du, wieso kann ich in deiner Gruppe nirgends schieben? Du musst dich verifizieren auf WOP. Guys, you have to verify in WOP to be able to write something. It is free. Tom, was ist dein Name auf dem Discord? What is your name on Discord? Maybe you're banned for some reason. Alright, we are back, guys. Let me reload. Chart is frozen for some reason. There we go, we are back. 3k likes, guys. Thank you for all the likes on TikTok. Not a good day for scalping. I mean, I don't know. I'm just gonna be patient, guys. We just have to be patient. It is what it is. I'm up on the day, so I don't mind. Sorry, kannst du nochmal sagen? Join the Discord and then go into WOP, connect your Discord on WOP and you will get the role. But what is your Discord name? Tom, was ist dein Discord-Name? Ich schau schnell, ob du gebannt bist. Someone is not able to join the Discord on TikTok. I don't know why. Tom91. Let's see. Is he banned, guys? Chat. Is he gonna be a banned user or not? Let me have a little check here. Where is this again? Wait, I have to go here, I think. Server settings, there we go, members. I'm checking now. Oh man, where is it? There we go, banned members. Let me see if you're banned. Tom91. No, you are not banned. Let me give you the rank. I'm just gonna give you the rank. If you have issues, guys, I'm gonna give you the rank if you're actually legit. But I found you. You should be able to see the channels. You should actually be able to see the channels. You have the rank. Dom91, are you sure you don't see the channels? Baba Yaga strikes again. Yeah, I hope not, man. I see it, but I can't. Can you not write in the trading chat? Wait, let me tag you. Alright, tag you. You should be able to see this message. We are dumping still. Getting close though. I mean, I hope this is not the high from the previous day point of control. I really hope, guys. You should. I see you're typing, so it works. Do you think it will take out the New York low? I mean, I don't know, man. I want to go lower. I mean, higher for the short. Come on, maybe we can do it still. Don't forget to smash the like and join the free giveaway. Yes, there is a giveaway running, by the way, guys. How many people are in it? We have 40 people in the giveaway right now, guys. Make sure you join it. This is actually a new record, I think. Nick Love is in, there we go. A lot of people are in. Oh man, I do hope, guys, we can go up there. I want to short this, but I don't want to short it from here yet. Now we're losing the previous day VWAP, that's not good. Oh, is this really gonna be the high? Is this actually gonna be the high today? Yeah, I don't know, guys. If we lose this, I might do the giveaway, and we're just gonna wait it out off stream. I don't know. Because I'm not gonna wait on stream another 2 hours. We have to really hold this, come on. I don't know, we had so many buyers and we didn't go higher. I think we're gonna go lower now. It looks like this might be the high actually. Oh, so unlucky, man. We were so close. We were like 4 points away from the entry. It is actually crazy. Now we're gonna lose the daily VWAP. That's not good. Yeah, we might have to do the giveaway soon, guys, and we just call it a day. Like, I don't know. For anything, for short or long, for any position. Wait, maybe it's gonna hold. Come on, we need to hold the daily VWAP. Maybe it is actually gonna hold. Please get me in this trade, guys. I wanna get into the trade. Let's see, do we have a new order for level? Oh wow, we actually... Wow, we took out the exact high of the last session. This is crazy. Dollar high. So it is possible that this is the high, actually, but we will see. I would like to go a bit higher, come on. Come on, come on, come on. We need more buyers. Still a lot of sellers. We still have negative delta on this candle, so more sellers than buyers. Come on, can we close this green, guys? We need to close the candle green now. Wait, let me go also on 5 minutes on TradingView. I think this is better for TikTok, guys. Let me know. How does it look on OBS? Also looks fine on stream, actually. Let's stay on 5 minutes. It is better, I think, for streaming. We are holding a daily view. Come on, can we go to this entry? We need to see buyers now. We need to see buyers stepping in. Oh no, the giveaway timer ran out. No way. I need to add a 3-hour timer, man. I'm gonna restart it, guys. Sorry, you have to join again. We're gonna do this 60 minutes though. Alright, it is live again. So join again. Anyways, it's good. All the bots are out. If there were any bots in there, they are out now. So it is actually not that bad. It is actually not that bad, guys. The real human people should be still watching. Let's see if we go up to 40 again. This will be interesting. We were at 40 entries. Let's see. We have 8 people on TikTok. Let me know, guys, who is watching on TikTok. There are a lot of people watching, but not writing anything in the chat. That is weird. They probably think it's an AI stream. Still here, alright, there are still some people on TikTok. Minus 30 bots. Oh, we need buyers. Come on, chat, we need buyers. Give us some new buyers. I want to get into this short. Give us that juicy short, guys. Ich schütte nur auf Englisch. Yes, ich bin nur auf Englisch heute. Ich bin auf YouTube auch noch. Do you use Tradecopia window application version? Yes, I do. I use the Mac version actually. Not Windows, I mean. And if you want to get Tradecopia, use my code, guys, Sato Trades. You can get 20, even 30% off or something. Can we see it? You can see it on my last YouTube video. I show all my trading stats, man. All my July trading stats from this month are public on my last video. I show everything. How to learn German? I don't know, man. This is a hard language. Hochdeutsch ist eine schwere Sprache. Can we do it, guys? Are we gonna lose the daily VWAP? And is the trade gonna go, the market gonna leave without us? Neither is good for scalping. What a bad market. Yeah, this is kind of annoying to trade right now. You just have to be really patient. Like, you have to be so patient and just wait for the best setups. And if you don't do that, you just get wrecked. So we just have to wait for the best levels. I just hope we're not gonna lose the daily VWAP. Else I'm probably gonna end the stream and call it a day. And leave the trades open. We are right on the daily VWAP right now. We're exactly on the daily VWAP. This has to hold for us to still get into a short. Guys, make sure to join the giveaway. We will do it soon in like, I don't know, 5, maybe 10 minutes. Let's see how many people are in. 16, alright. We got rid of a lot of bots, I guess. There are only 16 people in the giveaway now. I think we're gonna lose the daily VWAP here. Yeah, I think so as well. Like, it was a good short. I didn't know it was also the session high. Should have checked that. Should have actually checked that. If I would have checked that, I would have opened at the point of control. So the previous day point of control and the session high, the intraday high. Should have maybe entered a small one at least one contract. But it is what it is, guys. We are still up. Like, why am I even complaining? Like, I'm still in green. Still in green, like... We are still on it. Still above it, it is holding. It is actually still holding. I don't think it will hold though, sadly. I have a feeling it won't hold, but maybe we are lucky. It's 5 PM. There is still a possibility we go higher, but we have to hold this level. Because if we lose this, I think we're gonna go lower. And I'm not gonna enter a trade here. It's just not a good entry. I'd rather just wait for longs from lower if we just go lower now. Yeah, looks like we're losing it. We're losing the daily VWAP. Man, how annoying. I'm so close to the entry. It's just so... Like, trades... If missing a trade like this is just so annoying, guys. But it's just part of the game. I wanted to wait for the safer entry, and we just didn't go there. At least I'm still up. Like, we are still green on the day. Yeah, I can't believe it. We were so close, like... It is kind of annoying, guys. But it is fine. Part of the game. Part of the game. If we still go up there, I'm gonna take it, though. So somebody wrote on TikTok, soon at my first payout, I'll buy a MacBook and learn Orderflow. Nice, you should do it. Alright, how many people are in the giveaway? 21, let's draw it now, without the bots getting in. So if you're not in now, you are just unlucky, I guess. I'm gonna actually do this now. We are gonna play some tricks on the bots, guys. No, I actually don't think there are any bots, but people just leave the stream. So we read it. We're gonna redid the giveaway. You have to claim it on the website, guys. You have to go to the website and claim it. I'm gonna give you like 1 more minute. Add your Discord on the website, claim it. 1 more minute. Because if I do it now, people are gonna get mad. In one minute, we are gonna draw the winner of the 150k free account. You can win a free account right now. 23 entries, there we go. They're still coming in. And then I'm gonna go off, guys. I'm gonna call it a day. We will be back live tomorrow, though. And look for some other nice trades. We are up on the day. Good day. Missed 1 trade. Maybe we still go to 1 trade. Maybe I'm still gonna take 1 trade. We will see. But we are up so far on the day, so... And I posted the exact sell in my private group, by the way, for anyone wondering. I posted this exact setup before it was hit in my group. 25. We're gonna give them a little bit more time. Guys, wait, I'm gonna check, by the way. Don't multi-account, guys. You will be banned. If you enter with 2 accounts, I will check that before I give you the account. I'm actually gonna check that on stream. If you create multiple accounts, your accounts will be deleted. And maybe you even get banned. Keeps going up. Yeah, there's still some people joining. Don't worry, guys. I will check for bot accounts. I'm so happy I have my website. We can check for all the bot entries. It is just so cool. I deleted so many bot accounts already. This is kind of funny. Alright, let's draw it. I think we gave them enough time. Let's draw it, guys. Alright, there we go. Drawing the winner of the 150k account on stream. I'm pressing the button. Who is it gonna be? And guys, remember, we have exclusive giveaways for people using my code on any of the firms on my website. So if you use my code, make sure to submit it. It ends on Monday. We will do the exclusive live draw on Monday. There are only like 5 people in. So if you buy any account, use my code and submit it on the website. You can get into the exclusive giveaways. Alright, who is this? Never seen this guy. We have a new winner. Congrats, never seen him. He's probably also never used my code. So let me check this guy. Let's check for double accounts. Wait, guys. Let me make a screenshot quickly. Immortal. Let me see if you made double accounts. Immortal 1, guys. Let's see. I'm gonna make sure he's legit. There was someone creating double accounts again. But it was not him. It was someone else. Someone tried to create 2 accounts, guys. So if you're still in the chat as red, why did you create 2 accounts? But he was not. He's a legit guy, guys. Is he in the stream? It is you. Yeah, he's in the stream, guys. Congrats to him. He is legit. He didn't multi-account. He used only 1 account. Alright, I'm gonna DM you. Let me see. When did he join my Discord? He's also verified on WOP, guys. He's a legit winner. He just never won an account. Nice. Congrats. You won your first giveaway, man. New viewer that won. This is also good because we had a lot of OGs winning. So I'm happy that there's a new person that won, guys. Hi, I'm gonna send you the code in like 5 minutes so you can enjoy your account. So how it works, since you're new, you will get a code. You can go to Apex, the website, and you can just enter the code. You will get 100% off. I recommend you to use to get the 150k end of day account. So yeah, make sure to use the code, and you can select any account size on Apex. You could, but I would get the 150k account. 150k end of day account. This is the one I would personally get myself. Who won? It was AJ who won. I'm gonna post it in the Discord. Wait, I'm posting it right now. I'm posting it right now as proof. Congrats to... What is this Discord again? Ian wrote something in the Discord. Immortal, that is his Discord. Alright guys, I'm probably gonna... Where's the chart? Where's the price? Yeah, we are just dumping. I mean, still above the daily VWAP. I'm gonna call it a day though, guys. I will call it a day. I will be back live again tomorrow. We will do another free giveaway. We have... By the way, guys, before I end the stream, we have exclusive giveaways running. Let me show you that quickly. And if you use my code... If you use my code on any of the prop firms on my website, you can get into the exclusive giveaways, which we will do live as well on Monday. Let me show you here quickly. So if you go to the user dashboard, you can see the ranking, you can see the win rate of everyone in. So we only have 3 people in. I'm gonna do, there are already 250k accounts added to the giveaway, which we will do on Monday live. So CryptoBotter is rank 1 right now. Thank you to CryptoBotter, by the way, for using my code Sato. Kuro Trades is rank 2 with 4 entries. CryptoBotter has 17 entries. He bought 17 accounts. And we have Restil with 1 entry. So huge thank you to all of these people, guys. They make the free giveaways possible. Here are their names. So W to them in the chat. And guys, see you again tomorrow. And if you want to support the stream, use my code, submit it on the website. You can get into giveaways. Like, there's a high chance you can win on these accounts if you use my code. Alright guys, see you tomorrow and nice